In this video, I'm going to show you unboxing, review, and how to set up a multifunctional smartwatch for kids. What's in the box? The box comes with a smartwatch, micro USB 2.0 cable, and user manual. So the smartwatch is a great gift for children. In addition to showing the time, you can also take photos, make videos, recording your voice, and playing games. This watch comes with a 1.5-inch IPS touchscreen, a built-in 400 mAh rechargeable large battery, and supports USB charging. There is also a flashlight, cameras, and many other applications that we will explain in this review. This watch is recommended for children from 3 to 12 years old. Components: forward-facing camera, upward-facing camera, torch or flashlight, reset button, home button, and USB port used for charging as well as data transfer. Tips: once you receive your watch, turn off the watch and charge it for at least 3 hours. With a full charge, you can use your watch for 15 days on standby mode or 2-3 days in a normal mode. Press for 3 seconds the home button on the right side of the watch to turn the smartwatch on. Here you can choose your theme and you can switch the clock phase between analog and digital. Press the home button to go to the home menu. Camera. So this smartwatch has 2 built-in HD cameras with photo resolution 240x240 and video resolution 176x144. With these cameras, you can film videos, take selfies, and take photos. Storage capacity is 128 MB. In this memory you can store 5,000 photos or 50 minutes of video. Voice recorder. Here you can record voice. Music player. You can upload music from your PC or laptop to your watch via micro USB cable. Torch or flashlight. Note: do not point the light directly at people or animals as it may cause eye damage. Pedometer. You can use the pedometer to count your steps. Games. There are 9 built-in educational games on the smartwatch. They are Memory Test, Feudal War, Turnable, Princess Dress Up, 2048, Basketball Shoot Master, B-War, Pinball Hit Bricks, and Ultimate Racing. Time teacher. Your time teacher will be a friendly panda who can say the time for you.
Past 10 minutes past 1. 9 minutes past 1. 8 minutes to 1.
Alarm. Here you can set your alarm. Stopwatch. Timer. You can set a countdown timer here. Video gallery and photo gallery. Here you can see your videos and photos. Calculator, used for basic mathematical calculations. Calendar, used to view the date. Here you can create a background with your picture. Settings. Into the settings, you can find volume setting, brightness setting, date, time, and parental controls. Here you can set the date. Here you can set the time. Drink and sit reminder. Parental controls. Here you can set time limits for how long games can be played per day. You can select between a daily limit of 15, 30, 60 or 90 minutes or without limit. You can also choose to disable the games completely. Advanced settings. Into the advanced settings are storage location, on-screen display language, and factory reset. Language. Here you can choose your language. You can set the volume here. Low battery indicator. To turn off the watch, press the home button for approximately 3 seconds, and to turn on again, press the home button for approximately 3 seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.